What if your book could bring you clients, collaborations, and consistent sales? Sounds wonderful, right? And it's totally doable. Your book can become the ultimate business builder if you know how to use it with intention. Hi, I'm Sue Kennedy, book marketing coach for brilliant established female entrepreneurs who've written their book and are now wondering what's next. So you've already poured your expertise into the pages, but a book doesn't market itself. Wouldn't it be nice if it did, right? Without a strategic plan, your book is just a beautiful business card that no one's seeing. So let's imagine for a moment what's possible. Picture turning your book into a signature talk that gets you booked on aligned stages, virtual or in person, or using your book as the front end of your funnel so readers become ready to work with you clients. What if a podcast host reached out saying, I just read your book and have to have you on? That's the power of visibility paired with strategy. That's the potential when your book isn't just a finished project, it's your next launch pad. You didn't write your book just to say, I did it, I'm sure. You wrote it to open doors, build your authority, and deepen the impact of the work you already do so well. That's exactly what my program is designed to help you do. We take your finished book and turn it into a client attracting, brand elevating machine without overwhelm, without guesswork, and without you dancing on reels. Unless, of course, you want to do that. If you're ready to go from published author to profitable author, I'd love to invite you into this next chapter. Drop or DM me the word market, and I'll send you the details on how you can turn your book into your best business asset. Because your story, it's not the end, it's the beginning of something big.